How to download Hates Netflix for free. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can do this for free. So the very first step is to launch your Google Play Store if you don't have Netflix on your device. After going on the Google Play Store, on the top search bar you can simply search for Netflix right here. After searching for Netflix, it will show you many options of Netflix. Since I've already installed Netflix on my device, so it does not show me the option right here. So if you do not have it installed, then you can simply tap for it and it will show you the option of Netflix and then install it. Make sure you have installed and updated the latest version of Netflix. And after that, open your Netflix and then log into your account. After logging into your Netflix account, what it does is when you scroll down and down, it will show you the option of games right here. Just tap on the option and then tap on play, and it will take some time for you to play, and then you can simply open it and play the game on your Netflix account for free. So that is how you can do it. Just try it and see if it works or not. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button, and also comment on the comment section below.